Across Nigeria, millions rely daily on medicines they may never think twice about. Tablets, capsules, syrups, injections, products that quietly support life, restore health, and protect families. Behind these medicines are institutions built on science, discipline, and decades of perseverance. One such institution has, for more than half a century, contributed to strengthening Nigeria's pharmaceutical landscape. This is the story of Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd.
I am Amit Bojwani, the Managing Director of Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd, and my role is to steer this 55-year-old legacy into its next chapter of industrial excellence.
Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd traces its roots back to 1971, making it one of the oldest and most resilient indigenous pharmaceutical manufacturers in Nigeria.
I've been part of the Sam Pharmaceutical journey my entire life. Growing up around our founder, mentor, and my father, Mr. Sam Bojwani, I've seen us evolve from a visionary dream into the cornerstone of Nigerian healthcare.
What began as a modest import-based pharmaceutical enterprise gradually transformed into a major local manufacturing company. At the center of this transformation was Mr. Sam Bojwani, the company's founder. Guided by a belief in the potential of Nigerian manufacturing, he began building the foundations of what will become a significant pharmaceutical production network. His vision was simple but ambitious: medicines that are affordable, authentic, and accessible, produced locally, yet capable of meeting global pharmaceutical standards. Over the decades, that vision evolved into a defining philosophy, a commitment to made-in-Nigeria medicines that serve both national needs and international expectations.
By the grace of God, I'm over 34 years in Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd. And Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd. is a company that has been over 55 years in Nigeria as a pharmaceutical manufacturing company. When we started with quite a few products, and today we have evolved to over 70 products, all registered.
I've spent 27 years in Sam Pharmaceuticals, in various working in various capacities. So it's of course I'm so happy to say it's a remarkable journey for me. We have while we started, we had only a couple of products. When I took charge, I expanded the ranges of products based on the market survey. So today we are enjoying the fruit of the good work what we have done earlier. And all these products are carefully formulated. What is needed in the market, we have to find a survey, and my selection should not go wrong. Today I can proudly say that I have more than 100 products in our entire formulations.
Today, Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd. continues to build upon that legacy under the leadership of Chairman Sam Bojwani. The company is expanding its footprint beyond Nigeria, positioning itself as an emerging pharmaceutical force across the African continent. Its story is also a story of Nigerian industrial resilience. From small beginnings to large-scale manufacturing capability, Sam Pharmaceutical has continued to evolve, investing in infrastructure, expanding its product portfolio, and strengthening its regulatory compliance.
What inspired the establishment of Sam Pharmaceutical was the fundamental belief that a large country like Nigeria should have high-quality, locally produced and available medicines. Our growth was fueled by the need to fill in this gap in high-quality and affordable medicine that was largely imported. The core values that drive us today are integrity, resilience, and excellence. We believe that in pharmaceuticals, there's no room for good enough. Only the highest standards will suffice.
At the heart of Sam Pharmaceutical operations is its primary manufacturing plant. Within these facilities, modern pharmaceutical manufacturing processes operate under strict regulatory oversight. The company's production environment adheres to current good manufacturing practices (CGMP), ensuring that every stage of production meets internationally recognized quality standards.
As the head of quality department, I coordinate the activities of both the quality assurance and the quality control. In the quality control department, we are basically into analysis of raw materials, packaging materials, finished goods, providing specification and test procedure for all our materials, including our water. And then in the lab is equipped with sophisticated equipment. We have the HPLC, we have the UV spectrophotometer, we have also the dissolution test apparatus, and then we also have the friability testers. All these equipment are what we use in assuring the consistent quality of our product.
This commitment to regulatory excellence has enabled the company to build a robust portfolio registered with the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC.
Now, for our new factory, we have done pre-production inspection by NAFDAC and a pre-registration inspection, and they were all very happy with the investment the company has invested, and we want to work towards WHO pre-qualification.
As demand for locally manufactured medicines continues to grow, Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd is entering a new phase of expansion. The development of its ultra-modern manufacturing facility in Ota represents a significant milestone in the company's evolution. Designed to meet increasingly stringent international regulatory requirements, the new plant reflects the company's ambition to achieve World Health Organization good manufacturing practice. Such certification will position the company to participate more actively in global pharmaceutical supply chains and secure procurement partnerships with international health agencies and non-governmental organizations. The new facility also signals increased manufacturing capacity, improved technology integration, and greater export potential across Africa and beyond.
Formally, I've led and been part of the executive team for the past 6 years, focusing on our rapid growth and transition to this ultra-modern manufacturing site. It's important to invest in manufacturing within Nigeria because true national sovereignty is tied to health security.
From quality control laboratories to packaging and distribution systems, every stage of production is designed to maintain the integrity, safety, and efficacy of the medicines produced.
We have 2 dosage lines in Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd Ota. That is the oral solid dosage line as well as the liquid line. So in our oral solid dosage line, we manufacture tablets, capsules, and dry powder manufacturing products. And then in our liquid dosage lines, we manufacture syrups as well as suspensions, including drops for the use by children and neonates. Our oral solid dosage starts from the raw material stage. Our raw material stage, that is from the warehouse where we receive raw materials. When materials are received at the warehouse, they are tested and sampled by the quality control department, where they are approved for use by the production department. After the approval of our raw materials, they are dispensed by the dispensing personnel in the presence of quality control as well as production personnel. After they are dispensed, we receive raw materials in our tablet day stores, and our granulation operators, process our raw materials into granules that are compressible. And then after processing via granulation, we go through the compression stage. Our tablets go on into the packing stage. That is at the stage where they are either blistered or packed by jars.
Beyond manufacturing, the company also extends its impact into communities. As part of its corporate social responsibility, Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd conducts regular deworming exercises in schools, supporting child health, improving well-being, and contributing to better learning outcomes. The growth of Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd is not only a corporate success story, it is a part of a broader narrative about Nigerian industrial development. Through decades of operation, the company has contributed to employment skills development and pharmaceutical self-reliance.
This facility will contribute to creating hundreds of high-skilled jobs in Ogun State and across Nigeria as a whole, from pharmacists, biochemists, to engineers and logistic experts. We are building an ecosystem, not just a factory.
Yes, Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd must say have put a lot of resources in place to manage human capitals that they have employed.
As a CFO, I oversee all the finance functions. This new factory has been a significant investment, and I am delighted to see it is successful completion. It represents an important milestone in our growth journey. Over the past few years, we have experienced rapid expansion, entering new markets across East Africa and French-speaking regions.
Sam Pharmaceutical. This is the company that produces one of the latest and effective drugs in Nigeria at the moment. I tell you something, this is where quality drugs live in Nigeria. We have well over 65 SKUs in Nigerian market, and out of the 65 SKUs that we have in Nigerian market, we have about 65% of it that is produced in Nigeria. All these products that are in jars, they are all produced in Nigeria. We did not just come to Nigeria, we have been around for the past 55 years. I mean, 55 years is something that you also will want to reckon with. And I tell you something, apart from the ones that we have in Nigeria, we also have those ones that are brought in from outside the country.
Today we are setting up our new state-of-art manufacturing facility. If you ask me, I'm truly overwhelmed with pride and joy that, it's a dream come true for us.
To me personally, this facility is a promise kept. It's a tribute to the generation that started Sam Pharmaceutical, and more importantly, it's a gift to the generation that will inherit a healthier Nigeria. The long-term vision of Sam Pharmaceutical Ltd is to become a pan-African company. We see ourselves expanding beyond Nigeria into the ECOWAS region and eventually the entire continent.
As the company prepares for the commissioning of its new facility, its mission remains clear: to strengthen healthcare systems, expand pharmaceutical innovation, and ensure that safe, effective medicines remain within reach for millions. Because in the end, the true measure of pharmaceutical progress is not only scientific advancement, it is the impact on human life. Sam Pharmaceuticals, made in Nigeria, trusted for life.